And now we will ride the
We are here at the Holiday Inn off Hampton, and look what we have here.
Watch when he presses the button. Bumper. Watch what happens when he presses the button.
Here we go. Ready?
Let's listen to the motor. Awesome motor, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm going down, we'll listen to hydraulics. I'll press one. Go closer, push the button. I like that. Let's listen to going down. Epic motor. These are great elevators. All right, now set that one up. And I almost close the door on Jake because there's no electric on. I'll try to get the other one. Press all that.
Wait until this one leaves.
And if there's any way to do it. Press it. These are epic. These are epic.
GAL Fire Service.
Here comes the other one.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Awesome, we got this one.
People are probably gonna.
Yeah, that's fine. Is anyone in it?
Nope.
Let's write this one down. Oop, something on Jacob. Look, all right, let's listen to the motor on this one. These things have great motors. All right, send it down the line.
Into a call somewhere.
The other cars are definitely more epic.
The other one just started. These are epic elevators. What do you think about that? It closed on Jason.
Yep.
That'll be it.
Slam.